How to add gradient, multicolor, effect to text in Photoshop. If you want your text to look more colorful, stylish, and eye-catching, adding a gradient effect is one of the best techniques in Photoshop. It gives your text a smooth blend of multiple colors and makes your design instantly stand out. First, open Adobe Photoshop and create or select the text layer where you want to apply the gradient color. Once your text is ready, right-click on the text layer and choose Blending Options. In the window that opens, click on Gradient Overlay. Here you'll see different color combinations already available, and you can select any gradient you like. If you want a custom look, click on the gradient bar. You can change the colors as per your choice and create your own multicolor blend. You can also adjust the gradient style, such as linear, radial, angle, reflected, or diamond, depending on the effect you want. Play around with the settings until the gradient looks exactly right. Once you're happy with your colors and style, hit OK, and your gradient color will be applied instantly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching.